Nice to have you here both. Just very briefly, I wanted to tell you a bit about what we are going to do next. Well, when thinking about Sustainable Brands Barcelona, we didn't want this to be one of all those events that are happening through the city. Barcelona is a marvelous city, as we know, and many things happening. We wanted to leave a legacy to the city. We knew that we would have a lot of talent here these days, and we knew we would have attendees, speakers, all marvelous people with great minds. So we thought that we would establish a challenge that would help the city. With the town hall, we decided that the challenge and the issue that we wanted to improve was around sustainable mobility. And then, finally, we actually find Ford, and they were very keen to join us, and very quickly they get excited about it. So, Andreas, could you just please tell us a bit more about the thing we are going to do in terms of questions this afternoon?
Yeah, so what we try to do in this workshop, you say afternoon, I call
afternoon,
it evening.
night, afternoon, Spanish afternoon.
Spanish afternoon.
Well, night for the rest, sorry.
Yeah, so it's a workshop which hopefully we get hundreds of participants, but we will divide everybody into small groups, and the topics will be discussed, set by my company, and there's a bunch of Ford people which is helping facilitating this. And we will have professionals and experts within the sustainability space. 10 moderators will facilitate the groups, and 5 to 6 inspirers can circulate around the groups. So that's the way how we want to do it. The first topic is seamless multimodal transport. How can public and private operators work together to offer citizens seamless multimodal transport in this city, Barcelona? Mm-hmm. And the second topic is about car sharing again. How can car sharing be made more appealing to people traveling in and out in the city?
Cool.
These are the two topics.
Ramon, what are we going to do with this later on?
Interesting question. Now, sincerely, for us, it's a great opportunity, thanks to Ford, of course, and thanks to organizer of SB15 to make this co-creating workshop. Everybody knows, and Andreas showed in his presentation, that every day, every year in the cities, more people is living in the urban areas, in the cities. And for the urban areas and for the cities, the mobility is a very special challenge for us in this now and in this, for the next years. And we identify this as an opportunity to looking for a potential project, for a potential ideas. So how we will try to manage the conclusions that we will do in these co-creating cities. So basically, through two ways. The first one is dissemination the conclusions through the newsletter of Barcelona City Council and Barcelona Activa. This is an important newsletter because it's received by 100,000 people. We have a lot of subscribers. So it's a great opportunity to disseminate these conclusions. And in the second way, we will organize a workshop with the local stakeholders of mobility in Barcelona, the mobility director, the general director of the bus fleet in Barcelona, and all the key actors of Barcelona about mobility. And we will discuss the conclusions of the workshop of today. And we will try to manage these conclusions or transform these conclusions in a pilot project or in a project through one of these operators. So for us, sincerely, this is an important workshop. We will try to make profitable the conclusions of this workshop and to maintain this legacy. And you will invite to participate at this local workshop that we will organize in November in the Smart City World Congress that is hosted here in Barcelona. We will organize this workshop to discuss the conclusions. So also you are invited to participate in this second workshop.
You've noted that. Okay, so very important, the logistics. Now, that thing over there is the Hospital Sant Pau, just in case anybody doesn't know the place. A wonderful example of Barcelona architecture, I think. Logistics. In around 4 minutes, a bus is going to pick you up in the front door. As soon as you get to the Sant Pau Hospital, you'll be assigned to some different groups, and actually each group will work in a very special space of this building. You'll have some moderators, all of them really know what they do, really nice guys, and that will be really easy and hopefully a bit fun as well. However, we are going to take it seriously, so the conclusions need to go to very important places, as you saw, and we hope that you work a bit more during the day of today. I know it's your night, it's our Spanish afternoon, let's say, but we still have some energy. I still see some faces that show energy, so I'm just relying on you guys, and we hope that you can do a good work. And then finally, for those who do a nice work, we have a very nice drink reception at São Paulo. We have a bit of food, because I think you deserve to eat something after so many hours. And just have fun, enjoy. I think you'll have the opportunity to see this marvelous place that we have been allowed to use. So I would say that in 1 minute, I'll see you all in the front door. So come on, guys, directly to the bus, and let's accelerate Barcelona to this sustainable future. See you tomorrow as well.